Hello, grade 5 learners. I'm Teacher Alpha, your teacher in
Math.
I'm here to guide you in solving word problems. Get your pencil and module in Math 5, Quarter 4, Week 1 entitled Word Problems Involving the Area of a Circle. To begin with, let's see what you know about our lesson. Answer pages 4 and 5 of your module.
Directions. Read and analyze the questions. Select the letter of your choice. Write it on a separate answer sheet.
Number 1. What is the formula in solving for the area of a circle? Letter A. Area equals 2 times pi times radius. Letter B. Area equals pi times square radius. Letter C. Area equals pi times diameter. Letter D. Area equals pi times radius. Number 2. What is the approximate value of pi? Letter A, 3 and 14 hundredths. Letter B, 3 and 17 hundredths. Letter C, 3 and 18 hundredths. Letter D, 3 and 19 hundredths. Use your module in answering numbers 4 to 10. Pause the video, then press play if you are done. Let us check your answers. Put a check if your answer is correct and X if it is not. Number 1, letter B. Number 2, letter A. Number 3, letter D. Number 4, letter C. Number 5, letter D. Number 6, letter A. Number 7, letter C. Number 8, letter B. Number 9, letter C. And number 10, letter C. If you got a perfect score, very good. If not, don't worry. Let's learn them today.
Before going to our new lesson, let us first recall the steps in solving a word problem. Let us have the following problem. A circular swimming pool has a diameter of 16 meters. What is its area? Here are the Polya's 4-step plan in solving word problem. Number 1. Understand the problem by answering the following questions. What is asked in the problem? What are the given facts? What are the hidden questions, if any? Number 2. Make a plan by using the following guide questions. What operations or strategy or formula should be used? What is the mathematical number sentence? Number 3. Carry out the plan by solving the problem. And number 4. Check and look back if your answer is correct. Let us use the steps in solving the problem. Step 1. Understand the problem. What is asked in the problem? The The problem asks for the area of the swimming pool. What is given in the problem? A diameter of 16 meters. Let us now plan how to solve the problem by answering the following questions. What formula should be used? The formula to be used will be area equals pi times square radius, wherein pi is equivalent to 3 in 14 hundredths, and r is the radius of a circle. What is the number sentence? We are going to use the given in the problem, which is diameter of 16 meters, in formulating our number sentence. So, if the diameter is 16 meters, the radius will be 8 meters. Let us now substitute the formula, which is area equals pi times square radius, wherein square radius is radius times radius. So, our number sentence will be area equals 3 in 14 hundredths times 8 meters times 8 meters. Let us now carry out the plan or solve. We are going to use our number sentence, which is area equals 3 in 14 hundredths times 8 meters times 8 meters. Area equals 3 in 14 hundredths times 64 square meters. Where did we get 64? 64 is the product of 8 times 8. How about square meters? Square meters is the product of 8 meters times meters. Multiply now 3 in 14 hundredths times 64. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 times 3 equals 12. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 1 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 times 3 equals 18. Add now the partial products. Bring down 6. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 8 plus 1 equals 9 plus 1 equals 10. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So the answer is 296 square meters. So the area of the swimming pool is 296 hundredths square meters.
We are done with what's in. We are now ready for our new lesson. The Cordillera Unity Gong was launched in 2012 during its 25th year anniversary. It is especially made for this monthly celebration of the region. Let us learn more about the Cordillera Unity Gong.
What is the area of the Unity Gong with a diameter of 12 inches? Let us solve the problem using the steps in solving a word problem. What is asked in the problem? The problem asks for the area of the Unity Gong. What is the given fact? Diameter of 12 inches. Next, what formula should be used? We are going to use the formula area equals pi times square radius, wherein pi is equivalent to 3 and 14 hundredths, and r is the radius of a circle. Square radius means radius times radius. What is the number sentence? The number sentence is area equals 3 in 1400ths times 6 inches times 6 inches. Let us now solve for the answer. In solving for the answer, we are going to use the number sentence, which is area equals 3 in 1400ths times 6 inches times 6 inches. Multiply first 6 inches times 6 inches. The answer is 36 square inches. Area equals 3 in 1400ths times 36 square inches. Multiply now 3 in 1400ths times 36. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 1 plus 2 equals 8. 6 times 3 equals 18. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 times 3 equals 9. Add now the partial products. Bring down 4. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 8 plus 4 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. 9 plus 1 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. Move the decimal point 2 places to the left. The answer is area equals 113 and 400ths square inches. So the area of the unity gong is 113 and 400ths square inches. Let us now check and look back. Check if you properly substituted the formula. Check your computations if they are correct.
To understand more our lesson, let us go to Activity 1.
Activity 1. Find the area of the clock with a radius of 8 centimeters. What is asked in the problem? The area of the clock. What is the given fact? Radius of 8 centimeters. What formula should be used? Area equals pi times square radius, or area equals pi times radius. For in pi is equivalent to 3 and 1400ths. And r is the radius of a circle. What is the number sentence? The number sentence is area equals 3 in 1400ths times 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters. Let us now solve the problem using our number sentence, which is area equals 3 in 1400ths times 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters. Multiply first 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters. The answer will be 64 square centimeters. If we multiply 3 in 1400ths times 64 square centimeters, the answer will be area equals 296 hundredths square centimeters. So the area of the clock is 296 hundredths square centimeters. We are done with activity 1. Let us now proceed to assessment 1 on page 13 of your module. It has the following directions.
Find the area of the circle given its diameter and radius.
Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. You may pause the video while answering and press play if you are done. Let us check your answers.
How many did you get? Wow! You are learning fast. To learn more about our lesson, let us have another activity.
Read and understand the problem. Our problem is the radius of the base of the water barrel is 36 centimeters. How big is the area covered by the base of the barrel? What is asked in the problem? The area covered by the base of the barrel. What is the given fact? Radius, which is 38 centimeters. What formula should be used? Area equals pi times square radius. What is the number sentence? Area equals 3 and 1400 times 38 centimeters times 38 centimeters. Next is to solve the problem using our number sentence. So multiply first 38 centimeters times 38 centimeters. The answer is 1,444 square centimeters. So area equals 3 in 1400 times 1,444 square centimeters. If we multiply 3 in 1400 times 1,444 square centimeters, the answer will be area equals 4,534 and 1600 square centimeters.
Now it's your turn. Answer assessment 2 on page 14 of your module.
Direction. Solve the problem step by step in a separate sheet of paper. Our problem is, find the area of a circular garden with a radius of 26 meters. Let us check your answers. So we are going to use the formula area equals pi times square radius. Substitute the formula, so it is area equals 3 in 1400 times 13 meters times 13 meters. Then area equals 3 in 1400 times 676 square meters. So the area of the circular garden is 2,122 and 6,400 square meters.
Let us now measure what you have learned. Write your answers to complete the sentences. Use a separate answer sheet.
Here are the answers.
Let us now apply what we have learned. Read and understand the problem. Show your solutions in a separate sheet of paper.
When the given time is not enough, you can pause the video. Problem: find the area of a circular pool with a diameter of 7 meters. Let us check your answers.
Now that you have learned how to solve word problems involving the area of a circle, you are now ready to answer the assessment.
Directions. Read and analyze the questions. Select the letter of your choice. Write it on a separate sheet of paper.
Are you ready? Go!
Number 1. What is the formula in solving for the area of a circle? Letter A, area equals 2 times pi times radius. Letter B, area equals pi times square radius. Letter C, area equals pi times radius. And letter D, area equals pi times diameter. Number 2. What is the value of pi? Letter A, 3 and 14 hundredths. Letter B, 3 and 17 hundredths. Letter C, 3 and 18 hundredths. And letter D, 3 and 21 hundredths. Number 3. The given in the word problem is the diameter. To find the area, find first the radius by letter A, adding 2 to the diameter. Letter B, dividing the diameter by 2. Letter C, multiplying the diameter by 2. And letter D, subtracting 2 from the diameter. Use your module in answering numbers 4 to 10. Pause the video and press play if you are done. Here are the answers. Number 1, letter B. Number 2, letter A. Number 3, letter B. Number 4, letter C. Number 5, letter C. Number 6, letter A. Number 7, letter A. Number 8, letter C. Number 9, letter C. And number 10, letter C. I hope you get all the correct answers. You can now proceed to the additional activities. Here are the directions. Draw or illustrate and solve for the word problem on a separate answer sheet. Submit your work to your teacher.
ends our lesson. I hope you have learned something. Good luck.